someone na favorite Pinoy merienda is turon, this feels like a dream come true. Hey friends, sobrang love ko talaga ang turon. So nung nag-message yung turon and thanks, na-excite ako. Kasi hindi ko alam nag-e-exist pala ang turon cake. Here, they sent us not just one, but 3 different turon cakes. So feel ko talaga birthday ko kahit hindi naman. This is the original turon cake na may banana and langka. Ito naman yung tikoy turon cake filled with banana, langka, and tikoy. And then the ube cheese turon cake na may banana, ube, and cheese. Medyo mahirap lang tanggalin yung turon kasi nagdikit-dikit, baka nainitan nung dinideliver. But yung turon mismo, ang perfect ng pagkaka-wrap and roll. Then maganda din yung pagkakaluto niya. Nice coating of sugar, tapos sakto yung pagkaka-caramelized. And definitely crispy if you eat it immediately. I love na may langka siya, pero since mahilig ako sa langka, I wish may 2 pieces per turon. Tapos ripe naman yung banana na gamit niya, but personally lang gusto ko yung extra ripe. Yung original, of course, masarap. Nothing much to say, but a really good, almost perfect basic turon for me. Yung banana lang talaga sana